everyone, welcome to Vasolta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link is given in the description box below. Via PayPal and Google Pay you can donate. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one reading with me with the help of personal reading at an affordable prices, the details are given in the description box below. There are few meaningful readings at an affordable price, so you can book my session right now. And the third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join my workshop with the help of personal booking for numerology and tarot learning, you can book my session for the same. Okay, so yes. And one more important thing, guys, that if you want to be a part of Facebook live session, you can between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And last but not the least, I just want to tell you that today I'm going to do a reading for Virgos for the month of June 2020, and on basically 4 topics, that is romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, let's go through it. And also one more important thing, guys, that if you really want to join with me with the on my live sessions, you can follow me on Facebook, Vasolta Tarot Prediction. Okay, and let's check it out what's going on with you, Virgos. Okay, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasolta Tarot Prediction, guys. Okay, so yes. Okay, so let's check it out what's going on with you. Okay, so I am using here 2 decks. That one is the Indian Sacred Tarot deck. Okay, the second one is the Makeover Mind Body cards. It's a universal message card. The third is the original Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Okay, so yes, guys, let's check out what's going on with your romantic love life. Okay, so your romance is Page of Wands. Your career is 2 of Swords. Your relationship is Ace of Wands. And your finances, 7 of Wands. Okay, I hope this is visible for you guys. Okay, okay, so let's clarify your romantic love life. So I feel Virgos, you are waiting for to hear some sort of news. You are waiting for some sort of you're waiting for someone. Okay, you're waiting for some sort of news, message, text, email, whatever it is. So this is for everyone. Okay, those who are single, those who are committed, those who are into a relationship, those who are married but separated, and those who are just focusing on your career. Okay, so take whichever path suits you the best and leave the rest. Okay, so Virgos, I feel that here you are waiting for some sort of news. You were conflicted in the past with some sort of issues going on into your head. Okay, you were not satisfied with yourself. Okay, you are right now self-analyzing yourself when it comes to your romantic love life. Okay, and you want some sort of justice into your love life. Okay, you feel like that I think you walked away from someone, or someone else walked away from you in the past. Okay, and that's why you are waiting for some sort of justice. Okay, you are waiting for to hear some sort of news into your romantic love life. Okay, it might be a past person who left you, or you left a past person, something like that happened. Okay, so let's check it out what's going on with your career life. Okay, but yeah, let me tell you guys, Virgos, justice will be served into your love life for sure, definitely. Okay, so don't worry about it. And let's talk about your career life. So you are confused about something. Okay, waiting for something. Okay, so there is a good news for you, because there is a new beginning when it comes to your career life. Okay, new opportunities, new clients, new job, new business, whatever it is. So there is some sort of new beginning is taking place. Release all the confused energy, if you have any, into your career life. Okay, and you'll be shining bright when it comes to your career. Okay, and if there was no equal give and take when it comes to your career life, then there will be an equal give and take into your career life. Okay, like there will be you will be paid equally, like equal salary or good salary, good payment in the business. Okay, so now those things will be balanced. Okay, so yes, and I'm seeing that you are focusing more into your career life, into the sector of money. Okay, so yeah, don't worry, because your wish will get fulfilled soon. Okay, so yeah, and let's check out what is going on with your relationship. Okay, so some sort of tarot moment happened with you in the past, or else it's happening right now. I think demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic cycle. Okay, so with this tarot moment, I feel that you will be having a lot to say when it comes to your new beginning into your life. Okay, into your existing love life, existing relationship. Okay, demolishing of a toxic cycle, toxic situation, bad cycle, bad situation. Okay, yes, and some sort of ending is taking place with that card. That card is all about some sort of internal transformation you are going through, some sort of internal healing you are going through, and a sort of new opportunity is coming into your life, love life. Okay, I think if you are single, then a new lover might enter into your life. You might get a marriage proposal if you are not married, if you are single, this month. Okay, and that will be your wish fulfillment. And if you are already married and separated, then an ending, if you were going through some internal transformation, internal healing, that those are going to come to an end. Okay, those problems, those stuck energy into your love relationship. Okay, yes, and I am also seeing that with the Knight of Pentacles, that I think there is someone who wants to offer a cup of love towards you, or else you want to offer a cup of love towards someone. Okay, so I feel let this karmic cycle comes to an end, and once you did it, then a new opportunity, new life, new beginning, new opportunity in your love life will happen definitely over here. Okay, yes, and let this tarot moment happen, because this tarot moment will bring you a lot of happiness after this cycle comes to an end. Lot of happiness, lot of joyous feelings will be there, new opportunities, new life will be there for you guys. Okay, so do not worry, because in your relationship, I think if you were in a relationship, then and if you were engaged with some sort of toxic situation, toxic people, then those are coming to an end, so do not worry about it. Okay, yeah, and if you are single, then a new opportunity in love might take place for you guys. Okay, so new opportunity in a relationship is definitely there. Okay, yeah, and when it comes to your finances, a new beginning is coming into your life. Okay, a new beginning, yeah, some sort of negative energy was there in the past, and you were not sure about your relation, I think you are very disappointed with your finances. Okay, you worked a lot with your finances, and you were very disappointed with the same. Okay, yes, but there is some sort of new beginning is taking place. Take a leap of faith, take an action towards it, take a risk. Okay, so some sort of a new beginning, new opportunities coming in when it comes to your finances. There might be new collaborations, new money, new big projects might be coming into your life. Okay, so do not worry about it. Okay, yes, there was a devil energy, so there was few manipulative people when it comes to your finances, so watch about it. Okay, like there might be some manipulative people in the upcoming weeks you will be facing, so just watch those people. Okay, just be careful about it. Okay, so yes, yeah, take a risk, and this is an immature energy, so take a risk and move towards something better into life. Okay, take a risk, for a new beginning, new life, new opportunity into your finances. If you are getting an opportunity and you are stuck up whether you want to proceed further with this project or not, and whether you want to move forward with this project or not, so take a risk, do not worry about it, because there is a lot of new opportunities will be there for you. Okay, so yes, and I am also seeing that new opportunities are coming into your life. Okay, like it will be coming from front in the month of June. Okay, if once this cycle comes to an end, in the relationship also, then also there will be new opportunities in the finances, in the career sector. Okay, in the money sector, and a new lover might enter into your life, or else reconciliation might happen with the existing couple. Okay, so yes, but I feel some sort of new opportunity is definitely there. And yes, there will be a confusion, there will be you will be confused about things, that which direction you should choose, which part you should go about, which part you should choose for your direction. Okay, so I feel an opportunity will be there for you, and a new opportunity is definitely coming into your life. Okay, and a new direction will be taking place into your life. Okay, so choose wisely when it comes to your decision making in the month of June. Choose wisely which path you have to choose when it comes to picking up the projects, picking up the clients, if there is equal give and take in the project or not. Okay, so you have to think about those things. Okay, first. So yeah, let me pull out some healing messages from mind body makeover cards, Virgos. Okay, yes, yeah, there will be manipulative energy in the field of finance. Okay, so just check, just be careful about it, Virgos. That is the only message I just want to tell you. Okay, because I'm seeing some weird manipulative energy or not trustworthy people around you in the month of June. Okay, so yeah, when it comes to your finances. Okay, so yeah, so these are the 3 cards which I pulled out. Let me tell you what are these messages. Okay, so this is the first message. Okay, let me read out. So the first message is for healthy relationship. Okay, by being objective and having clarity, I know that true wisdom always transcends one person being right and the other wrong. Okay, so yeah, if you have an opinion that you are always right and they are always wrong, it's not always true. Okay, so the next message for healthy goals. Okay, healthy goals is that if you don't know what your true life calling is, then here's the message from the universe. Through contemplation, introspection and completion, I can find out what my next step and true calling is. By attending to details and organizing my life, my vocation will become clearer. Okay, so here is the third message. God has it in for me. The universe doesn't hear my voice. If you feel that universe is not hearing, so here's the message from the universe. In partnership with the universe, I move through my emotional conflicts and find a peaceful resolution. Okay, so these are the 3 messages for you. Okay, yes, let me pull out few sacred Indian tarot cards. Okay, and I like this tarot cards. I don't know why, but I'm in love with this cards, because see, the graphics are so really cool. Like the graphics are really cool. Okay, so I really like it. Okay, so I'll be pulling out 3 messages from the universe, and then I'll be reading out from the book, because this has arrived yesterday only, so I need to check out what's going on. Okay, so this is the first message, the second message from the universe. Let me pull out second message, and okay, the third message. Okay, so let's check out what's going on with you. The first message is the strength. Okay, the strength. The second is the emperor and the judgment. Okay, so the strength is also known as, in according to Indian mythology, according to Ramayana and Mahabharat, this is also known as the beam. Okay, so yeah, let me read out what's going on. I'm reading it from the book, since I haven't studied much into this. Okay, Okay, so the Bhima universe wants to tell you, Virgos, you are a strength of character, bravery, facing incredible odds, self-worth and confidence. So in the month of June, I think you have to be very brave. There will be few obstacles which will be coming into your life, so you have to face it. You need to know your self-worth in a relationship, okay, and you have to be confident enough. So value yourself, self-love first, okay. Just focus on self-love first, okay. The second is the Emperor, okay. The Emperor is the Purusha, okay, and it is an authoritative figure and a leadership person, okay. So I think there are few people who are thinking to start a business by switching up of a job, or closing up of a job. Then you will be highly authoritative, and you will be playing a leadership role in the month of June, okay. And there are people, I think you will be having very powerful, charismatic leadership quality in the month of June, okay. So you will be knowing that what are you supposed to do, how to move forward in your life, okay. So the third one is the Judgment. It's Jyoti, okay. So you are going through some spiritual awakening, okay. See, I told you that in the reading also, I told you that you are going through some internal transformation, internal healing, okay. So you are going through some spiritual awakening often of a spiritual nature, change of a position in life or outlook. So I think this will bring a lot of new perspective into your life, and this perspective will help you out to be very optimistic towards life, okay. And this will change you in a better way, I guess, okay. So yeah, that's the most important thing, okay. One important thing, guys, if you want to book my one-on-one session with me, for personal readings, so there are few mini personal readings which I have introduced at an affordable price, so you can check out in the description box below. And also one more important thing, guys, if you want to book one-on-one personal full reading with me, with 32 cards, also the details are given in the description box below. So the oracle cards message reading, the wisdom cards messages reading, whatever you want to book, you can, okay. So it will be on a very good note, okay.